Ready to read?
Yes.
Okay, read. I want to see you hear your reading. Very good. Next page. What's that letter?
M.
Okay, M. Okay, basa.
Mm.
Okay, very good.
Ma. Ama. Mama.
Okay, next. What's that letter?
S.
Okay, S. Read it.
Sabon.
Sabon.
Asa.
Next.
Asa.
Very good.
Sama. Sama.
Okay, next page. Very good, Celestine. Another one.
Yeah.
Y.
Y.
Okay, read it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Aya. Saya. Maya. Saya. Yaya.
Next. Very good, Celestine.
Kamay.
Kamay. Very good, and baby. Okay, next.
Ka.
Basa.
Aka. Kaya. Papa.
Sige, read it.
Kama.
No.
No, kaka.
Okay.
Kasama.
Again, basa.
Kasama.
Kasama.
Saka.
Okay, very good. Next page. Hold it properly. Mahulog. That. Okay.
We're gonna staple it later.
Staple it later. Okay, what's that letter, Celestine?
T.
C. Okay, basa.
Tabo.
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 Okay, next.
Ta.
Okay.
Ta.
Okay. Next.
Ta.
Okay, basa.
Tama.
Okay.
Taka.
Okay.
Tasa.
Very good.
Tawa.
Okay.
Taya.
Yeah. Next.
Yata.
Okay.
Tata. Mata.
Okay, very good. The next letter is
B.
B. What's that in the drawing?
Baso.
Baso. Very good.
Ba.
Okay.
Ba. Aba. Baha. Taba. Basa. Bata. Baha. Baka. Haba. Taba. Mahaba. Bataba.
No, it's not bataba. Otro.
Mataba.
Okay, very good. Next page, Celestine, you're good. You're the best. Next. What's that letter? Hold it like this. Okay, what's that letter again? What's that letter next?
P.
P. What's that drawing?
Payong.
Payong. Okay, basa.
Pa.
Okay.
Pa.
Okay, what's that?
Apa.
Very good.
Sapa. Pata. Papa. Paha. Kapa. Papaya. Payapa. Papa.
Next. Very good. What's the letter?
G.
What's that in the picture?
Gatas.
Gatas. Okay, read it.
G. 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 Ga. 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 Aga. Gaya.
No. Wa.
Wa.
Okay, again.
Gawa.
Okay. Ano may nagawa si? Saan may nagawa si? Ano? Okay. Let's tapos it.